mean like able
Okay,
to
okay,
share
okay.
sound?
Yeah, I'll make you co-host. Okay.
Stand up. Everyone stand up. Sabhi stand up.
Hello, Sahil.
Asha, you have to wait 1 minute. I will inform to another who have make you host. There is no option from my side.
Okay.
अभी खड़े हो गए बच्चा, अभी खड़े हो जाओ।
मैडम आप भी खड़ी हो जाओ। हेलो साहिल।
ना छोटा बच्चा है।
Hello, Kanishka. Asha.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Asha. Hi.
Hi.
It's Nilima here. I did that
Asha,
guest
now
join? I'm Nilima, ma'am.
Hello, Nilima auntie. Hello.
Yes. Hello. Has
Yes.
the class started?
Yes, the class has started.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Let's dance. Come. I will share my sound and let's do some dance.
Yes. Oh.
Okay, ready?
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कले जाई जाने ओ, मॉडल टाउन च मार गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मार गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कले जाई जाने ओ, इश्के दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोनिए, दिल मेरा कट के ले गई नाल सोनिए, तेरे पीछे लगे होया साल सोनिए, मान जा क्यों ना सता, पर गहरा नाल जद कल्ला जताए दिल मेरा चला, क्यों ना तड़ पावे सोनिए, पावे तू फिर मिठी मिठी गल्ला करी जापे, कहती कहती विच गेड़ी बात दूरों तकी जा तू सोनिए, नी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कले जाई जाने ओ, मॉडल टाउन च मारी गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन च मारी गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो किथे कले जाई जाने ओ,
Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, now let's do one more song. Okay?
चलिए एक और सॉन्ग है, और आप में से जो भी अभी तक नहीं उठे हैं वो अब सब सारे साथ में उठ के डांस करेंगे, जैसे चिराग, ठीक है, उचिता, आप सभी भी डांस करेंगे, ठीक है?
Madhumita, did you like the song? Madhumita, did you like it?
Madhumita,
yes, I like it song. Very
very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very nice. You did very nice dance. Everybody did really good. Now we'll do one more song, okay?
हो अभी गए रात तुमन बोलो वाली बात प्रेम की मौसम प्रेम की मौसम बताओ मेरे पास
मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं सारा जहां
तारा 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 तारा
चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंगेली जुए तारी चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंगेली जुए छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा
मैम वॉइस नहीं आ रही
काला तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंगेली जुए तारी काला तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंगेली जुए तारी
Wow, superb. That was so good. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay. So now we will do a
Very good.
meditation.
चलो आप सभी आप बैठ जाइए ताकि आप लोग रिलैक्स कर सकें। बैठ जाइए सभी और कोशिश करिए सब फ्लोर पे ही बैठे, कोई भी बेड पे ना बैठे, फ्लोर पे ही मैट बिछा के बैठिए।
Yes.
वेरी गुड मधुमिता, आशीष।
And now we will do a short meditation and then we will do our English topic, okay? So let's meditate. So close your eyes. Relax.
चलिए मेडिटेशन करेंगे, आईज क्लोज।
Okay, ready?
सभी बैठ जाइए। विदित आप भी बैठ जाओ। विदित सभी बैठ जाइए। यस
Okay, let's start the meditation, okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Close your eyes.
Hello. I'm back
Yes.
now.
Oh.
हाँ नवीन, हमको बैठना है,
Yes, ma'am.
बैठना है।
Yes, let's start the meditation, okay? Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Asato Ma Satkamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Asato Ma Satkamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands very, very fast. And so they become hot and then put it to your face.
चलिए अब आप सभी अपने हैंड रब कर लीजिए।
Very nice. Good job. Okay. So now let's do the English topic. So last week we revised all the we revised nouns, verb, adverb, adjective, and conjunctions. So we need to remember a new topic. So let's revise them one more time and then we will learn our new topic today, okay? So can somebody tell me a sentence with a noun, verb, adverb, and adjective? Can
चलिए,
somebody
जैसे
tell me sentence?
जैसे आशा दी ने बताया कि हम लोगों ने जैसे पिछला सीखा है, जैसे हमने नाउन सीखा है, एडजेक्टिव सीखा है, वर्ब सीखा, एडवर्ब सीखा, ठीक है। आप सभी उनमें से कोई भी एक सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं जिसमें आपको नाउन भी हो, एडजेक्टिव भी हो, वर्ब भी हो, एडवर्ब भी हो, और आपको उसमें अलग से बताना है कि कौन सा नाउन है, कौन सा वर्ब है, कौन सा एडवर्ब है। तो आप में से कोई भी हैंड रेज करके सेंटेंस बना के बताइए। आप लोग हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं या चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं।
Yes. So first you can say sentence just with noun. If you don't know all four, it's okay. We will do first sentence with noun and verb. If you can tell me that, then we can do adverb and adjective. So if you remember.
Yes, अगर आप पहले नाउन का सेंटेंस बना के बताना चाहते हैं तो आप पहले नाउन का बना के बता सकते हैं, ठीक है। हैंड रेज करके या आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। किसने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है?
Madhumita, you want to share sentence?
नाम को सुनाना है।
एक सेंटेंस बताना है नाउन से रिलेटेड।
Yes. Madhumita, you want to share sentence? You're raising your hand.
मधुमिता अनम्यूट कर लीजिए खुद को।
मैंने कर लिया मैम। The beautiful girl plays.
The beautiful girl plays. The beautiful girl was playing, right?
Plays outside.
Very
outside.
Very nice. What is the noun, Madhumita?
Girl is the noun.
Very good. Can you tell me the verb?
Plays.
Very good. Very good. So, and can you tell me adjective? There is adjective in
the beautiful.
Right?
The beautiful.
Beautiful. Yes, very
adjective.
Good. Yes, beautiful is adjective because it is talking about girl, right? And can you tell me adverb? There is also adverb.
Yes, very good, Madhumita.
Yes, Madhumita. Very good. Wow. Chirag.
Hurry, please.
Chirag, unmute yourself और बताइए।
Yes, ma'am. The river is flowing very fast. In which, ma'am, the river is noun.
Very good.
Flowing is verb.
Very nice. Yes.
And
very nice.
Adjective is the river.
Adjective. The river is not adjective. River is what? River is noun, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So the river is flowing very fast, right? There is no adjective, but there is an adverb. Can you tell me the adverb? What is the flowing? Flowing is the verb, right? What is describing?
Very fast. Very fast.
Yes, very good, Chirag. Good job. Good job. Very good. I like your sentence a lot. Very good.
शुभम बताइए, वीडियो ऑन करिए और फिर आप बताइए।
Okay.
Shubham. हाँ, yes.
Shubham, then.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes, बोलिए शुभम।
Hurry, please speak. Cricket.
One more time. Can you tell it one more time?
Hurry, please speak.
Okay.
Cricket.
Okay. Cricket, yes. So, you said Curry plays cricket, or how? What did you say? Can you say one more time?
He is saying Kohli plays cricket.
Oh, okay.
Kohli.
Kohli plays. Sorry.
Plays music.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good
you are
sentence.
sound music.
Oh, very good. Very good sentence, Subham. Can you tell me the noun?
Kohli is a noun.
Very
Yes,
good.
very good. And can you tell the verb?
Hmm?
Verb
Plays.
plays. Very good. And there is also adverb. Can you tell me the adverb?
Cricket.
Yes,
Yes.
very good. Good job.
Mango.
Very good.
Very good, Shubham.
I like
Next,
your sentence a lot too. Very good.
Vidit.
Mango.
मित्तल पहले विदित देन आपका टर्न है, ठीक है?
Mango.
Vidit, unmute yourself.
Vidit.
Yes. Yes, Vidit, unmute. Now
Go
you
ahead.
can speak.
Go ahead.
Ram and Sham are friends.
Yes.
Can you say it one more time?
Ram and Sham are friends.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, what is the noun?
Ram and Sham.
Very good.
Very good. Ram and Sham. Now, what is the verb?
Are.
Yes, are. Very good. Now, can you tell me, there is also conjunction in the sentence. Can you tell me where the conjunction is?
And.
Yes, very good. And is the conjunction. And Sham and Ram are friends, right? That's the sentence, right? So there is a noun, there is verb, and there is also conjunction. Very good. Very good with it. I like your sentence a lot. Good job. Good job.
Very good. Next, Mittal. Now you can unmute.
Yes.
Noun.
आप बोलिए. आप बोलिए अपना sentence.
Orange.
One
And
more
I
time.
think-
Can you say? One second. One more time. Sorry. Rakhi ma'am, can you hear what she said?
No, I can't hear. Mittal, can you? क्या आप एक बार और बोलेंगे बेटा?
Orange.
I can't understand what she said. एक बार और बोलेंगे बेटा, क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
Orange.
Orange. She said orange, but okay.
Ma'am, please voice नहीं आ रही.
I think Uchita write their sentence in the chat box. What sentence Uchita write? The beautiful girl is sit the chair. Uchita write.
Very good. Good. It's a
Excuse me,
good
ma'am.
sentence.
Uchita, unmute yourself and speak what's the noun and what's the verb.
मैम मतलब ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल नाउन है और चेयर प्रोनाउन है.
Yes. Very good. Beautiful. So girl is the noun. Now what is the verb? What is the verb?
Chair.
No, chair is not the verb. Chair is also like a noun, because noun is person, place, like an object, right? Now what is verb? What is the verb?
Ma'am, table.
सारांश अभी आप नहीं बोलेंगे बीच में, उचिता को बोलने दीजिए.
Uchita. Yeah, I'll help you. So, okay, so the beautiful girl is, let us change the sentence, okay? Your sentence is the beautiful girl is sit the chair. We will make the sentence into the beautiful girl is sitting on the chair. Does that sound better? Is that okay? Can we change the sentence to is sitting? Because then our verb would be, what would our verb be? If the beautiful girl is sitting on the chair, what would the verb be? The
बताइए
Mom
उचिता।
said. Mom said.
Yes, very
Yes.
good. Sitting would be the verb. Very good. Now there is also an adjective. Can you tell me the adjective?
अब आप इसमें से एडजेक्टिव बता सकते हैं जो नाउन की क्वालिटी बता रहा है। आपने नाउन बताया गर्ल, तो नाउन की क्वालिटी बता रहा है कोई एक शब्द जो आपके सेंटेंस में था। कौन सा शब्द था वो?
Mom, beautiful girl.
यस
Yes, very good. Beautiful. Because beautiful is talking about the girl. It is describing the girl. Because adjective, we remember, right? Adjective describe noun. Adverb describe verb, right? Remember that? Very good. Yes, very good sentence. Good job, Uchita. Very good.
और कोई है
तृप्ति।
आप में से और भी कोई बता सकना चाहता है तो अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं। तृप्ति, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Tripti. Unmute.
तृप्ति एंड आफ्टर दैट आशीष।
Yes. Okay. Tripti, unmute yourself and you can share your sentence.
मैम
Okay.
Yes,
go ahead.
हेलो
बोलिए।
Yes,
यस
we
तृप्ति
can.
बोलिए।
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही, वॉइस कम आ रही है।
मैम चली गई।
मैम चलेगी तो बाद में बोलो।
The brave soldier march forward. The is
Wow.
article, brave is adjective, soldier is noun, march is verb, forward is adverb.
वेरी
Very
गुड।
good, Tripti. Wow, very
The
good. You
next
did.
sentence is the green apple are almost ripe. So the is article, green is adjective, apple is noun, are is verb, almost ripe, almost is adverb, and ripe is adverb. Almost ripe is adverb.
Yes.
वेरी
Very
गुड।
good.
And next
Very-
sentence.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Tripti. Good job. Wow. That is very good. You said two sentences and all the functions of the word. So very good job. Good job. Keep practicing like that. You'll get
वेरी गुड।
very
आशीष,
good.
आई थिंक आशीष रेज हिज हैंड।
Yes. Go ahead.
आशीष अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। ओके अमित, फर्स्ट
Okay,
आशीष,
after-
आशीष के बाद आप।
Yes. After is Amit. Okay. Go
Brag
ahead. Ashish.
को brag को is manai brag and check if को now
Okay.
brag blame.
Very good. So yes. So what is the noun again? You said it one more time. Can you share the noun?
आप नाउन बताइए अपने
Right.
सेंटेंस में।
One more time.
आशीष, क्या
Can you say?
क्या आपको आवाज आ रही है? नाउन बताइए आप अपने सेंटेंस में।
Grow.
क्रो, ओके।
Crow. The black crow. Very good. You know, do you know adjective in the sentence? Adjective. Do you know the adjective in the sentence?
Brag.
Yes.
good.
Very good. Very good. And what is the verb? What is the action?
Brag.
Yes.
हम
Flying. Flying.
Number-
Very good. Very good, Ashish. I love your sentence. Good job.
वेरी
Wow.
गुड। श्रीमेश, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Sita is a clever girl and she plays cricket.
Very nice.
बताइए नाउन।
Sita is a noun,
यस,
Very good.
clever adjective,
Very
double
nice.
noun,
Very good.
and conjunction. She plays verb, cricket adverb.
Very good.
good.
Wow. I like your sentence a lot because you combine two sentences with the conjunction. So you said Sita is very Sita is very
Baby.
and plays cricket. Very good. You combine two sentences, right? So you have Sita is the noun, it's the main of the sentence, and then you have two verbs, but you're joining the verb with the conjunction. So very good, Shimesh. Good job. Wow. Very good. Okay. Amit?
Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Aman, you have any sentence?
Monkey is noun.
What is the sentence? First tell the
Monkey
sentence.
is noun.
आपको
Okay.
पहले सेंटेंस बताना है, उसके बाद उसमें नाउन बताना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
एक सेंटेंस बताओ जिसमें नाउन होगा और वर्ब होगा, तो उसके बाद आप उसमें से नाउन और वर्ब बताना।
Proper noun, common noun.
Okay. Let me help you. I will give you a sentence. Can you tell me the noun and verb?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The monkey is jumping around the house.
Oh,
What is the noun?
बताइए जो
Monkey.
wait Amok.
Okay, go ahead, Amit. If you know, can you share with me?
Monkey is noun.
Yes, very good. What is the verb?
Bad is noun.
No, monkey is the noun. What is the verb? What is the action? The monkey is jumping inside the house. What does it do?
Monkey is in the tea.
Yes, jumping. Yes, very good. That is the verb. And is there an adverb?
That is in the sky.
Oh, you already made your own sentence. Monkey is in the sky. Sky is the adverb, right?
No. Monkey is jump in the
Sky. In the house.
in the house.
Yes. So what is the adverb?
Monkey is in the house.
In the house. In the house is the adverb, right?
Had.
Yes. Very good. Good job, Amit. Good job. Keep practicing, okay? Next week we should practice. Now, Shrihan, you want to try?
Sure.
Shrihan can't make a sentence, but I wrote down all the sentences that student says now, or he tried to point it out.
Okay, sure. 1 second, let me see. Oh, wow, very good. Let me see. Oh, very good. Wow, very nice. So, I love Ma. I is the noun, love is the verb. Very good. Good job, Shrihan. Wow, very good. Very nice.
Very good, Shrihan.
Very good, Shrihan. Good job. Good job. That is very good. Very good. Okay. Anybody else wants to try, or should we discuss new lesson?
I think now we will discuss new lesson.
Okay. So this week and next week we will learn about prepositions. So prepositions. So there's like preposition, and then there's some special words we will look for, and we will find in a phrase. Phrase is like a group of words. So preposition is not just one word. It is 3 to 4 words. And in that preposition, there will be a preposition. There will be an adjective. There might be an adjective. There will be an article. Who remembers the article? Anybody remember article?
क्या आप लोगों को आर्टिकल याद हैं? आशा दी ने जो हमें स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था कि आर्टिकल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं. अनम्यूट करके आप बता सकते हैं.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good.
And the articles.
Yes. Very good. So there will be articles.
And
Yes. Very good. Very good, everybody. So there will be an article, and there will be also something called object of the preposition. So first, let's do preposition. So a preposition is like an adverb. So for example, I will give an example. The girl is running in the house. Okay, in it's going to be a preposition in the house because house is a noun. House is a
Asha,
noun.
please wait 1 minute. I'll mute everyone. You can unmute yourself, Asha.
Yes. So running inside the house, right? So house is a noun. So how can we have two nouns? We cannot have two nouns in a sentence. Well, we can have two nouns as in two names, but we cannot have girl and house both be the noun. So house has to be in a phrase. So that phrase is the prepositional phrase. In that prepositional phrase, there is a preposition. So for example, I will say another sentence. Maybe you can help me find the preposition. So the dog runs in the shed. Can you tell me the preposition that is in this sentence?
क्या आप इस सेंटेंस में प्रिपोजिशन बता सकते हैं जो सेंटेंस अभी आशा दी ने बोला?
The dog, I can put it in the chat also.
Yeah.
The dog runs in the shed. Or the dog runs in the house. I will say like that. And now can you tell me the preposition phrase?
In.
Yes.
In is the preposition. Very good.
Very good.
And in the house. Okay. Now maybe after looking at my sentence, you can see in is the preposition. So now in the chat, I will put some words. Take one picture. Okay. So these words we have to memorize because these words will help us learn the preposition. So I will put the words in the chat.
देखिए आशा दी चैट बॉक्स में प्रेपोजिशन से रिलेटेड शब्द लिख रही हैं जिसे आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट करके भी अपने पास रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप लोगों को उसको अपने पास सेव रखना है ताकि वो आपके लिए आगे हेल्पफुल रहे, क्योंकि आगे जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे आशा दी के साथ तो हर एक प्रेपोजिशन पे जाएंगे. तो आप लोग अभी से उसको सेव रखिए. और जिन्होंने भी अपना वीडियो ऑफ किया हुआ है अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं आप सभी.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट दिस सेंटेंसेस. क्या क्या बोला था आपने?
Yes, I will repeat. The dog runs in the house. We can remember that. Write that sentence down. And so the noun is dog.
Asha, one more thing I want to say to you. Can you write this sentence in on a paper and then show the sentence?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Let me write it on paper. Let me first type these words in the chat so then we can.
Yeah.
And then I will.
एक ही बताया मैंने तो.
अभी बता रही हैं मैम, अभी बता रही हैं आपको और भी बता रही हैं. अभी चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगी मैम तो आप लोग वहां से उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा.
स्क्रीनशॉट चैट में लिखना है.
ठीक है.
एक सेकेंड. The dog runs in the house. The beautiful girl is sit in the chair. ये तो किसी ने गलत लिखा है.
गलत लिखा.
हाँ.
इसको नीचे भी पोछा लगा ना. फिर पोछा दे.
I put some and I will put some more. But make a screenshot because these are very important. And we will.
देखिए आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. आशा दी ने चैट बॉक्स पे भी डाल दिया है और भी आशा दी डाल रही हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या ताकि इन प्रेपोजिशंस का आप जब सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तब आप इनका यूज करते हैं. तो हम इन पे डिस्कस भी करेंगे बट पहले आप इनको सेव कर लीजिए. जब हम बात करेंगे तो आपके पास होना चाहिए.
उनसे पूछिए एक सेंटेंस आपने गलत लिख रखा है.
बच्चे ने लिखा है. बच्चे ने लिखा है.
आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. अगर आप नहीं लिख पाएंगे इतनी जल्दी तो आप ये सभी के लिए आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखेंगे तो जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो आपके लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होगा.
prepositions.
I will come
किसे
on
दे
with
रहे हैं
that.
ये?
Yeah, during
So
their cloud.
screenshot that. I will
ये
also
तो
put it
free
on.
position
I
से
will
दे रहे हैं।
फिर
also
से दे दिया।
write it on paper and send a picture to Rakhi ma'am, and
मतलब
Rakhi
सारा
ma'am will
होगा ये
forward
तो।
it to you.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
you can also have that too. Okay.
ले लो उनके
So
दोबारा
this week we should memorize this.
जो नहीं होगा
अब हम आज इसी पे बात करेंगे, ठीक है? आप
तुम बोलते रहो कि
सभी
मैं उनकी नहीं सुन पाऊंगा।
आशा, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So screenshot this, and I will write it down on piece of paper and send it to Rakhi ma'am. And then I will also write down some sentences for practice homework, and we can also do those. We'll work on those next week also. Okay. So right now, right now, if we want, we can share couple sentences. If you have any sentences with prepositions or have an idea, maybe if you want to share a sentence, you can share it right now. If not, I can explain one more time what prepositions are.
आप लोग बता सकते हैं अगर आप लोगों को कोई सेंटेंस प्रिपरेशन से, जैसे अभी सिर्फ एक प्रिपरेशन आशा दी ने बताया है इज, तो आप इससे रिलेटेड भी कोई सेंटेंस बना के बता सकते हैं।
Yes, I will now play a song. There's one song to help memorize prepositions. I will play this song. If you want,
it's a better idea.
I will play this song, okay? And you can listen to it and enjoy and memorize the prepositions through this song. This song is a very fun song, so I will play it.
आप लोग ये सॉन्ग प्ले हो रहा है, इसको ध्यान से सुनिए, जिसमें आपको प्रेपोजिशंस कैसे आप लर्न कर पाएंगे, इस सॉन्ग के थ्रू आप प्रेपोजिशंस को लर्न कर पाएंगे, ठीक है? तो आप अच्छे से सुनने की कोशिश करिएगा। आफ्टर दैट आशा, कैन यू सेंड द सॉन्ग आल्सो?
Yes, let me send it to you. I will send it to Rakhi ma'am, and Rakhi ma'am will forward it to you, okay? And
Yes,
please
can I-
listen to this song. It's a good song, and it will help you memorize the prepositions. So let me share this song.
Yeah.
And let me play it, okay? Let me share my screen actually, so you can see the words also, because it will help if you see the words. So let me share my screen. Okay, ready? So I will put in full screen. Now this song this is all the prepositions. If you memorize this song, then you can memorize all the prepositions, okay?
मैडम वॉइस कम है।
So can you increase the volume of the song?
Yes, I will increase. Let me increase the volume. Can you hear it now?
Yeah, now.
So these are all some prepositions. I can also sing it once, because this one it's a video, it's a little bit blurry. If you want, I can sing the song once. So it's like, aboard, about, above, across, against, along, around, amid, among, after, at, except for, during, down, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, before, beyond, by and from, off, on, over, until, unto, upon, under, underneath, since, up, like, near, past, throughout, through, with, within, without, outside, toward, inside, into, to. So that song, it will help you memorize all the prepositions. So I send the link. So you can listen to that song, and I can also make a recording of myself and I'll send you that song and you can listen to it and you
Yeah,
memorize
it's better. It's better. You can sing that song and record that and then send it.
I will do that. I will do that. I will send that tonight. Okay.
It's helpful for them.
Yes.
ऐसे ही आप सभी को भी सुनना है इसको, ठीक है, क्योंकि इस सॉन्ग में सारे प्रेपोजिशंस हैं, इससे आपको अलग अलग प्रेपोजिशंस याद करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप एक बार ये सॉन्ग याद कर लेंगे तो आपको प्रेपोजिशंस के सारे वर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली ही लर्न हो जाएंगे.
Yes. Okay.
देखिए आशा दी ने आपको कितना अच्छा तरीका बताया प्रेपोजिशंस लर्न करने का.
Yes. And so once you memorize the prepositions, then you can easily find the preposition phrase in the sentence. Okay. So remember this, a phrase is a group of words. Okay. Phrase is not just one single word. Phrase is a group of words. Okay.
देखिए आशा दी हमें क्या बता रही है, फ्रेज क्या होता है. फ्रेज होता है शब्दों का पूरा ग्रुप, समूह होता है. ठीक है, एक शब्द नहीं होता है, बहुत सारे शब्द उसमें जुड़े हुए होते हैं, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स उसमें जुड़े हुए होते हैं, तब वो क्या बनता है, एक फ्रेज बनता है. ठीक है. ओके आशा, नाउ यू कंटिन्यू.
Okay. So now we can try and create sentences with the phrase. So with the prepositions. So with the prepositions in the chat, can anybody try and create a sentence?
क्या आप में से कोई कोशिश कर सकता है सेंटेंस बनाने की? कोई बात नहीं, जैसे भी आप लोग बना पाते हैं. आप लोग गलत बनाएंगे, सही बनाएंगे, हम हेल्प करने के लिए हैं आपके साथ. आप लोग कोशिश कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
अगर आप में से कोई भी ट्राई करना चाहता है तो आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं. चिराग, श्रीमेश, अमन.
मैं भी ट्राई करती हूँ.
या तृप्ति, अगर आप ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
मम्मा, कोई भी ऐसा चैप्टर है वो ट्राई कर सकते हो. तो
एक सेंटेंस कुछ भी जिसमें आप प्रेपोजिशन यूज करें,
जो भी है वो मैं.
If not, I can write a sentence and you can try and find it. I will write a sentence.
Yeah, you can write the sentence and after that take it. In chat box, Chirag write something.
And Madhumita. So Madhumita said the cat sits on the table. Madhumita, can you tell me the noun?
Langila.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने जो सेंटेंस लिखा है मधुमिता, आप उसमें नाउन बता सकते हैं.
The cat is sitting is a noun.
Cat is the noun.
Cat is the noun.
Yes. Now what is the verb?
Sitting is the verb.
Very.
Now what is the preposition?
I can't understand, ma'am.
Preposition. What is the preposition?
I don't, ma'am. I don't know.
Okay, I'll explain. So there is table, right? Table is also a noun, but we cannot say it is a noun. So we have to say.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Where the cat is on the table.
On the table.
So on is preposition. So we will remember on.
On.
Yes. On the table phrase and on.
देखिए आशा दी.
On the table कह देना, under the table वाला मत बोलो.
Asha, now you can unmute yourself.
Okay. So I will explain one.
Next, I think next Chirag.
Yes.
Madam, I don't know. मैम मेरे को भी नहीं आता.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अभी हम आप सबको ये बताएंगे, एक बार और बताएंगे जिससे आप समझ पाए. आशा दी दोबारा से बताएंगे. ठीक है.
Yes. I can explain again. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
So for example, the cat is sitting on the table. So cat is the noun and sitting is the verb. Okay. But there is on the table. Okay. On the table, it is not a noun or a verb. So table is a noun. It's the object, but we cannot say noun because there cannot be more. There cannot be two nouns in the sentence. So on the table becomes a prepositional phrase. It becomes preposition. So on is the preposition. Okay, so those are, I gave you a list of words, right? Those words are all prepositions. So we remember on the table as a, on is the preposition, and the table, the is article, and table is the object of preposition. But today we will just remember prepositions. Next week we will go over object of the preposition. But so now there is one sentence. So Chirag, you wrote one sentence. The ball falls into the water. Do you think you can tell me what the prepositional phrase is or what the preposition is? Chirag?
Ma'am,
Chirag.
the preposition is into.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. The preposition is into. And the river. In the river is the, into the river is the prepositional phrase, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good job. Okay, now Subham, can you tell me in the chat you put Mohan lives in Delhi. Do you think you can tell me the preposition, the prepositional phrase or the preposition?
Ma'am, preposition is I'm to something.
सारांश, अभी शुभम का टर्न है. शुभम बताएंगे. बताइए शुभम. Shubham, we can't hear your voice. I think some problem from their side. Shubham, हमें आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. शायद आपकी साइड आप अपना वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करेंगे तो आपका वॉइस आ पाए, क्योंकि आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. आप अनम्यूट नहीं है फिर भी आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. एक बार अपना माइक्रोफोन चेक कर लीजिए. नहीं शुभम, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. Can you, Shubham, can you put it in the chat? Can you put the message in the chat? What you think is the can you please share what you think is the position?
शुभम, आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं कि prepositions कौन सा है.
This is the preposition. Very
Yeah.
good. And what is the prepositional phrase? Do you think you can tell me that too? What is the prepositional phrase?
शुभम, क्या आप prepositional phrase भी बता सकते हैं?
Yeah, ma'am.
शुभम, क्या आप prepositional phrase भी बता सकते हैं? अगर आप बता सकते हैं तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं.
The prepositional phrase.
जिसमें बहुत सारे शब्द जुड़ के एक फ्रेज बन जाता है और उसमें preposition होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो शब्द ना नाउन होते हैं ना वर्ब होते हैं. ठीक है, क्या आप वो शब्द अपने सेंटेंस में बता सकते हैं कौन सा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you do not know, I can just explain it. The prepositional phrase is in Delhi, because Delhi is also one of the object, the main. So in Delhi is the prepositional phrase. So now let's go to now let me see. Uchita, you wrote a sentence. Can you help me find the preposition? Uchita?
एक मिनट में बताती
Ma'am,
हूँ. The
मैं-
dog is walk.
Amit,
Dog is walk the park.
Yes. Can you tell me the preposition?
मैम walk होएगा ना तो.
So walk is the verb. Now remember how I said we should look for another object, another main. Can you tell me? So dog is the noun. Can you look for another object in the sentence or main or another noun in the sentence? Can you look for another one? There's one more, right? What is garden? Garden is also an object, right? So in the garden, in is the preposition and in the garden is the prepositional phrase. Okay.
Asha, can we end it our session
Yes.
because it's 9:57 and we